do not worry, okay? Because I'll be coming back with lots of things. So what would you like me to get for you? Fish, picture, anything, name it.
Anything. Do I even have a choice? What's that?
You know? Thank you.
Take care of yourself,
All right,
okay?
see you. Stay safe, okay?
Bye.
Hey, you look beautiful.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here, baby. Mom.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. So are you going to open the door for me?
Come on, my bird. You're my princess. I'll do anything for you.
I know.
Come here. Sorry, who was that?
Honestly, my sister has moved on, and I would advise you do the same. I'm sorry.
Your sister has moved on.
No be fine boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I go chop. Come out my way. Avoid my...
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, we're lost. We're actually looking for the local government secretariat. Do you know where it is?
Oh, sure I do.
Okay.
Come with me. I'll show you.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Right here. Look at it. It's over there.
Oh,
Straight
okay.
there.
I can see it. The black gate,
Yes,
right?
yes, the black gate.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.
Please, what's your name?
Gladice.
Nice to meet you, Gladice. My name is Fred.
Okay.
That's my friend. I hope to see you again.
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you once again. Okay.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right.
What did they worry you? You dey push me.
Are you trying to beat a woman? What's wrong with you?
Compassion, better make you come on hand for this business because it no concern you.
Come on.
Come on, go down, my son. Come here first. You know me?
Why I go know you? Just go. Leave.
Come on, go down. Oh boy, you don't reach that level. Do you know as of me for this area?
Are you trying to beat up a woman? Can you move away?
You better make you come collect your beating now because if you dey late, I'm not sure whether you go. Oh boy, come on.
Yeah, Abi.
Come on, you go see my maternity, Abi.
See this one, though.
Don't worry, you go see me.
Come on for here.
I got to die.
What happened?
Huh?
Do you know him?
He's one area boy like that, Sakachi, very stupid boy. Thank you. Bye-bye.
See the boy. I just said not thief.
I swear, maybe the boy won't be one collect the girl food. Who would they go before the boy will take call his brothers? Eh?
Hello.
Hey.
Hi. How are
Hi.
you? We meet again.
Yes.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Thanks for the other day.
You're welcome.
What are you doing here?
Well, I am waiting for my sister. She's coming.
Oh, your sister. Okay, that's fine. Isn't the sun too much for you?
It is, but she'll be right. Oh, that's her. She's
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I kept you waiting.
Ah, it's fine.
Oh.
Alice meets Fred.
Oh, I met them before.
Okay,
Oh.
I think I've seen her before.
Okay. Really?
Can I talk to you in private, please?
Sure.
All right. 1 minute, I'll be back shortly.
Someone is in love. Are you sure this guy didn't do something to you?
Honestly, I don't know. The sight of that guy sends hot shivers running down my spine.
I must confess, he's handsome and he looks intelligent.
Yeah, he is. But my only problem with him is that he's broke. He's just a broke youth copper and his future is not guaranteed yet.
Come on, he may not have money now, but trust me, he's smart and he's intelligent. If you ask me, those are great qualities of a great man.
My dear, ideas without money mean nothing to me. I don't buy the idea of love over money. Money is everything. Money means the whole world to me. Right? So I am not going to do anything with him.
What are you saying? That you do not want to date Fred?
Listen, Fred is cute, no doubt, but he's not my spec. I prefer a loaded monkey to a cute broke guy, and that's on period.
Gladice, what's with you and money?
My dear, you already know. Money runs the world. Money makes me smile. I need money to take care of myself.
Fred is a nice guy. Give him a chance, okay?
Oh, really?
Yes, you should give him a chance.
Whatever.
So, I'm of the opinion that men must invest their times and energies into productivity, because even if you're not born into a rich family, you can work hard to become rich. Yes.
Babe, that's a layman's ideology.
Oh.
Success doesn't happen by accident. Iron, they say, sharpens iron. So the people you associate yourself with determines the success you make in life.
Well, you have a point, but
Listen, babe, the people you mingle with, I mean, if you mingle with the rich, automatically you are rich, and that's a huge success.
I disagree. You have a point, but I disagree with the part where you said if you mingle with the rich, you become rich. No, you have to work hard to become rich. It doesn't come overnight. You have to, put in effort to ensure that, you become successful. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I mean that men should focus on working hard. So that's a lazy man's ideology. Yeah. And then men should also learn to save. Work hard, have savings. It's very important. Don't spend stupidly. Don't spend lavishly. some men make a lot of money and, spend all of it on women. I feel like that's not good.
Frederick, are you by any chance saying that it is highly responsible of a man to spend on his woman?
No. I believe that women must be taken care of. But then end up with a woman who understands the principles of, savings. Yes. So that you don't end up eating your future with the woman.
So you are of the opinion that it is unwise to lavish money? Well, I believe that spending money on your woman is another form of investment. Because what's the need of a relationship? You want me to love you and you don't want to spend on me. So do you expect me to just love you and then get money from elsewhere or from another man?
I think we're saying two different things. You don't understand me. Okay. But I understand you. So what I'm saying is, as a man who works very hard, it is important to end up with a woman who understands that we need to save for tomorrow, to cut a long story short. Yes.
Anyways, if you love me, you should spend on me. That's the point I love.
Okay, no problem.
Good afternoon. Please, what do you guys care for?
Personally, I want a fresh barbecue and a red wine. Okay. Sweet red.
Okay, ma, the big one is 8,000. Why the small one is 6,500?
Oh, perfect. I want the big one, okay? And I want the red wine cold. Leave me alone. Please ask them what they want.
Sorry, instead of all of that, can you get us 3 bottles of malt and some dry meat with pepper?
Yes, thank you. It's fine. We get it.
Alright.
Fred!
Huh?
What do you mean dry meat and malt? I ordered for fish barbecue and red wine.
That's expensive now. The dry meat and pepper is better.
Did you hear that?
No, I don't have enough money for the. My NYC salary is not enough. The government don't pay me enough.
Stop using the government as an excuse. Fred, you work in a place where you earn a good amount of money, so take good care of me.
No, I said 3 bottles of malt and dry meat.
I don't want malt. I don't want to eat a dry meat. Do you want to see me dry? You want to dry me up in your poverty?
Can you calm down?
Hello? Can you leave me alone? Did you hear him? Dry meat.
No, but dry meat is better now.
It's not good. Fred, if you're not getting me fresh barbecue, I'm going to stand up and leave this place. It doesn't matter. I'm going to leave you. Are you going to place my order now?
She has already gone to get 3 bottles of malt and dry meat.
Fine. I'm leaving. Alice, let's go. Enjoy your dry meat. Let's go. Enjoy your dry meat. Broke man. Let's go. Sorry. Alice!
Please, just give me the dry meat like that.
I don't blame him at all. He knows well enough that he doesn't have money. Yet he has the audacity to ask me out on a date. Just imagine that embarrassment, that fool, the stunts that fool put there. Just look at the stupid attitude, the stupid act he exhibited over there. What a shameless, stingy man.
Gladice.
He cannot even spend money on me on this.
Can you calm down? Listen, I don't blame him at all. You should consider his income as a youth copper. You don't expect him to work so hard and blow it just in one day. For what now? I don't get it. Try and understand at times.
You are wrong. My sister, you are very wrong. He should try hard enough to stay away from beautiful girls like us, knowing fully well that it takes good amount of money to maintain us. He doesn't have the money. He should keep his legs together.
Is he your father?
Am I my mother?
Okay,
I'm not my mother.
What is wrong with you, Gladice? You have to see. Be careful. Gladice, be careful.
Hello, beautiful girls. Hi.
Hi.
Hey. Sorry, what's your name? Oh, my bad.
let me introduce myself. My name is Collins. My friends call me Abego. Other people call me Moving ATM. That's Ego na Agije. You understand? Fine girl.
Are you done? Are you done? Or do you have more to spew? You are so disrespectful, first off. They didn't train you well. Because if they trained you, would have come down from that car. I know what you want, and you're definitely not getting it from me. So take your nonsense if you can get out of this place.
Sir, don't mind her. All right? Forgive my sister. She's having a very terrible day. My name is Gladice, and she's Alice, my sister.
That's a beautiful name for an angel. Don't worry about your sister. It's just that she doesn't understand that good money can solve a bad day.
Exactly.
But regardless, she's the loser here. Just come on in. Let me spoil you.
Oh,
you don't deserve to be walking under the scorching sun.
Oh, really? I like that. My sister, go home. I'll meet you later, all right? For now, let me follow Ego Nagi. What is wrong with you? Gladys, yes. I will see you later. Go. Gladys, go. You're not interested. I am. Go. What is this?
Don't you try nonsense with my sister, because I know your number plate. I've crammed it. Please, what is wrong with you? Have you met him before?
Nothing will
happen.
happen.
Come down from that car, let's go.
I'm fine. Ego Nagi. Money.
Just go home and wait.
Worry not. I am fine. Go home.
Baby girl.
See, if anything should happen to my sister, I will hold you responsible. I've already crammed your number plate. Don't try any nonsense. Gladys, will you come down from there?
Come out my way. Avoid my way. No be fine, boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I go chop. Come out my way. Avoid my way. I no go allow you to come and scatter my
Asa, can we go to my place?
Yes, but you have to take me to my place. If I don't go home, my father will be mad at me, so I can sleep out. I can only go to your place and spend few time.
All right. You don't have any problem with that. I will take you back to your place before 6 p.m.
I can do till 7. That's not a problem.
You are a sweetheart. This is why I like you. You have all positive vibes.
Oh.
That's not a problem. So let's just go to my place and have fun. Let me spoil you. Silly. Yeah.
Okay. That's no problem. I hope I'm going to like it.
You don't know me. You're asking Collins. Onyego, the walking ATM, Ego Nagi. Whether you're going to love it. Don't worry, I will surprise you. I will spoil you, silly. There's cash everywhere. I will lavish raw cash on you. Mismanage my funds on you, baby girl.
I like that. Mismanage my funds on you, baby girl.
You get it. You get
baby
it.
Girl,
the money is there.
So I can call you Collins with the sauce.
Collins with the sauce and juice.
Okay. Collins with the sauce and juice.
My baby girl.
Collins with the sauce and juice.
My baby girl.
Ego Nagi.
Oh.
The money man.
Oh.
Ego Nagi.
Don't worry.
The working ATM.
I'm going to spoil you, silly. Ego can get raw cash.
When my man spoils me with money.
With raw cash.
Spoil me, silly baby.
You deserve it.
Spoil me, baby. Spoil me, baby.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I will mismanage funds for you. Don't worry. Your sister will be jealous. Yeah. Ego can be spraying cash on my baby girl. Change everything about
let's
you.
Let's get going.
All right. I like your vibe. I love your vibe.
Onyego.
Hey, my baby with the vibe.
Money.
I will mismanage funds on you.
Money man.
Ego Nagije.
I love you already.
Thank you.
I love you. There's nothing anybody's going to say about this. I'm in love with you.
You are a baby and you won't regret it. I will spoil you, take you to vacation, different places. The Caribbeans, Maldives, buy you things, Dubai.
Hey.
Just call it. Your friends will just be there looking at you. Kateli. You understand? You will be a cinema. I will turn you to a cinema.
Eh?
Yeah. The money is there. There's no complaint. Before we miss where we are going. You have something on me. It's like a spell, but I love it.
You like
I love it. I love it.
I am Efelenko Dogo. Efelenko.
Yeah.
There's a Jilin.
Yeah. Munyo do.
Efelenko Denama.
I'm even moving forward. With you understand? I just mentioned Munyo do. This is the vibe that comes with a beautiful girl. A beautiful girl with vibes and sauce. Gladice, you've made my day. Don't worry, the rest is history. Ego, let me ego. You eat money, enjoy money, forget life, chop life.
Efelenko, I have made it.
Yeah, you are there. You are there. You are now officially a big girl. Officially a big girl.
Yes, best gang.
Anybody that come, I'm going to buy you a Range Rover Velar.
Really?
Call it. Yeah. Range Rover.
Rover.
Your level is on a range. That's what I'm going to get you.
I like that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like that.
It befits you.
Really?
I'm picturing you inside this Range Rover. It befits you.
But let's start with your Benz.
It's alright. It's alright. I can just give you that. It's no issue. Okay? Don't worry. You're my baby. You understand?
Well, see, this life is a process. Who is it? Come in. The door is open. Yeah?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What are you looking for?
Papa, his name is Fred. He's Gladice's friend. He's a 7 copper.
Oh.
Yes, Papa.
Yes.
Wow, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. But I've not seen him before.
Oh, that's because sometimes when I come around, I'm told you're not around. Yes, sir.
Wow, that's good. You're welcome, my son.
Is Gladice around?
No. She went out to see a friend, and I don't know when she will be back.
Okay. Just tell her to call me. I have something important to tell her. Besides, I've been trying to reach out to her, but her number is not going through.
Okay, that's fine. I'll tell her.
No problem. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you very much, sir.
So, how are you enjoying our environment?
Oh, fantastic. I love this place.
I wish you a good stay, okay?
Yes. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care, all right.
Papa, Fred is a very bright and intelligent young man. You just need to listen to his ideas. He's super optimistic, trust me.
Honestly, my daughter, I don't know why my spirit finds peace with him.
Papa, all of a sudden your spirit is finding peace. Now.
What are you talking about? Listen to me. You see, I see beyond the surface. Usually. You're making...
No,
listen to me.
Yes.
What I see sitting down.
Even when I climb the ladder?
Not just a ladder, and a tree, even a mountain. You can't see it.
Papa,
yes.
Wait, when I climb a mountain, I will see and unsee and see everything. Don't even go
see
there.
what I see
Papa, leave that. That one is...
Babe, thank you so much for today. You made my day.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it was so fun. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, baby girl. I hope I'm seeing you again.
Yes. You have my number, right? You can always call me. I'll make myself available for you anytime, anywhere.
Fair enough. Okay, in that case, I'll call you tomorrow. Yes, I'll call you tomorrow. Hope you'll be free.
Yes, I'll be free, but are you not going to pick me up? You're supposed to come pick me up.
Come on, what
Am
are
I
you
not
saying?
beautiful enough?
You are a diva. You are beautiful. Look at you. Come on, I'll come pick you up tomorrow. Let's just say when I'm chanced, I'll come pick you.
You have to make Chan sexy, huh? To come pick all of this up.
Don't worry, I'll make chance to come pick you.
I know.
I love you. Good.
I love you. All right, good night.
Yeah, good night.
It feels so good. So
Can you
good.
bring down your voice?
So good.
Papa is sleeping.
Oh, Papa is sleeping by this time. Is he alright?
He has cold. I feel it's malaria.
Oh, that's my problem because tomorrow I will get Papa treated. My girl. I had so much fun today, like you missed. You see that guy, he took me to his house, his luxurious house. And again, he took me to a lot of beautiful, fun places. That guy is so rich, he is so heavenly rich, angelic rich, he is so crazily rich.
Gladice.
Yes.
Back to earth. It's your life. You decide what you want to do with it. None of my concern. You're a grown-up, right?
Yes. That's true. You are right. It is my life, so I decide what to do with it.
Exactly.
Just like you decided to turn him down. He could have been yours, but he said no to his proposal, and now he is mine. Your last mugging.
I'm happy for you.
You see that, Mr. Idea, Gladice here is officially done with him. Like, I am done with him. I am done with him because I have found the love of my life.
Hey, don't fall. Can you? What's this?
Sorry. But I am so happy.
Papa is sleeping like I just told you.
That's true.
Simple.
Oh, wait for me. Go inside. Oh,
are you drunk?
This way.
What is wrong with Gladice?
My guy, rest now. Rest. You've been calling this girl since.
I know she's awake. She's deliberately not taking my calls.
Then let her be. Let her be. In the morning, you go to this girl's house and find out why she's not picking your call. Than you being here calling from time to time. Sorry, you should not go sleep. In the morning now, today are the snow up and down.
Collins, I love you and you are everything.
Your phone is ringing.
Oh, not now.
Why?
Is it written anywhere in the world that I must take his call tonight?
Gladice, I feel like communication is very important amongst, couple. There's nothing that kills a relationship faster than silence. Can you just talk it out, have a dialogue with him, please? As your sister, I would advise you.
Okay.
Just talk to him.
Okay. Okay. You listen, sis. I will talk to him when I want to talk to him, but not now. Right now, let's talk about Collins. Collins. In your head, Collins.
Can you just...
It's about Collins, I am madly...
Can you bring your voice down? Papa is still sick and is sleeping.
Yeah, I'm not talking.
Who's there? This way, please. Ah!
Good day, sir.
My dear Compa.
Good day, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Woo! Good to see you.
How are you, sir?
I'm cool. So, how is the service?
Very well, sir.
So I hope you're enjoying.
Yes, I'm enjoying the environment.
Papa, good afternoon.
Yeah, how are you?
So how's everything, sir?
I'm good. What just happened? Did you two have a fight?
Papa, sometimes I don't understand her. It all started yesterday. She started giving me an attitude, and I don't know why. So I actually came to find out what the problem is.
Something must be wrong somewhere.
Yes, sir.
But it's okay. Go and talk to her. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You will see her at the back. Never mind. She followed this way. Go through I gave her something to do for me at the backyard.
Okay, sir.
So I'm sure if you go this way, then you see her.
No problem. Sir. No problem, sir.
Talk to her. If there is anything I can do.
No problem.
Eh?
Thank you, sir.
I'm always there for you.
Thank you, sir.
Just go this way.
Okay, thank you,
See her
sir.
at the backyard.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
I know go chop your face. Come to see my body. I deserve another to come and make me a chalugo. Oh, come out my way. Avoid my way. No be fine boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I go chop. Come out my way. Avoid my way. I no go allow you to come and scatter my palacio.
What is it?
Why are you treating me like this? What have I done? I came to ask you to tell me what I have done so I can apologize. Why are you giving me an attitude?
You want to know, right?
Yes, I want to know.
You are broke.
What?
Yes, you are broke. You cannot maintain a woman like me. Okay, Fred, look at me. Do I look like a woman you can maintain? Copper Fred? Answer me.
Is this the problem?
Yes, it is. I am a woman that knows what she wants. And you are not an inch close to the man I want for myself. I want something better. Someone richer. I want luxury. I want premium. I want to be treated as a baby girl. I want everything good in this world. Certainly not you. You don't have it.
Gladice,
Fred.
there's absolutely nothing wrong with your choice of a man. I totally understand you. But the truth is, I may not give you the type of life you want now, but nobody knows tomorrow. Maybe I can tomorrow, who knows?
You lie. Tomorrow is Monday. Fred, let me give you a simple advice. Leave me alone. Go and look for money. Leave women in general alone. Look for money. You are too broke. You're too poor for my liking. Maybe after that you can look for someone and marry. But like this, you are not working for me. We're not going to work. I need money. Not you. Am I going to eat you? Are you money? You're simply cute but broke.
But I'm trying my best for you.
Your best is not enough for me.
I'm doing my best for you.
It's not enough. You are cute, no doubt. I go chop am. Am I going to eat your cuteness? I need money to take care of myself. I need money to foot my bills. So sad that my father is sick. There's no money for his medication.
Your father is sick?
Yes, he's very sick.
I didn't know that. You didn't tell me.
And now you've known. What can you
But
do?
he doesn't look sick. I just saw him now.
Fred, my father is sick. Do you want to argue with me?
No, I don't want to argue with you.
Okay. So what are you going to do about it?
This is 10,000 naira. You can add to what you have and get some medication for him. Please. Please.
I don't need it. You are mad. Fred, you've lost your senses. So you brought 10,000 naira. What is this going to do for me? What is it even going to do for my daddy? What can I afford with this?
Oh, Gladice.
This is just too poor.
Oh, Gladice, I'm trying my
best.
best.
You are not trying. Do more. Obviously, you need this more than I do. Pick this rubbish and get out of my father's house. Now. Get out. You're a mistake.
No be fine boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I go chop. Come out my way, avoid my way.
Do not worry, okay? Because I'll be coming back with lots of things. So what would you like me to get for you? Fish, picture, anything, name it.
Anything. Do I even have a choice? What's that?
You know? Thank you.
Take care of yourself,
All right,
okay?
see you. Stay safe, okay?
Bye.
Hey, you look beautiful.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here, baby. Mom.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. So are you going to open the door for me?
Come on, my bird. You're my princess. I'll do anything for you.
I know.
Come here.
Sorry. Who was that?
Honestly, my sister has moved on, and I would advise you do same. I'm sorry.
Your sister has moved on.
No be fine boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I go chop. Come out my way, avoid my way. I no go allow you to come and scatter my palacio. Come out my way, avoid my way. No be fine boy, I go chop. No be fine face, no be fine face. Come out my way.
Gladice, I was calling you. Why are you doing this to me? What have I done? Are you not happy to see me?
Excuse me? What is so special about you? Why should I be happy seeing you?
Gladice, why are you doing this to me? I haven't done anything wrong to you.
Oh, please, shut up.
Gladice.
Excuse me, get out.
Alice, why is your sister treating me like this?
You already know why. I told you already, she's moved on. She's with that guy you saw her with the other day.
So she's moved on. She's with the guy because he owns a car and I don't. Right?
I'm sorry. Gladice, what is wrong with you? Do you even think that he loves to be treated that way? What is wrong with you?
Really?
Fred is everything a man should be to a woman.
Tell that to the birds.
His only crime is that he doesn't have enough to lavish on you. Come on.
Alice, why are you justifying wrong attitudes? Fred is being stingy, that's it. Why my own Collins is very, very generous to a fault. Why is this so difficult for him to understand? Is this so daft? To understand that I've moved on? Okay, fine. Do me this favor. Advise him to move on because I've done the same. I don't need him.
Why are you being superficial, for God's sake? Listen, Collins might be your answer for now, but trust me, that guy has a bright future. He is your tomorrow. Think about it. Don't you even have sense? What's wrong with you?
Have you not heard that patient dog no longer have any bone to eat? They died these days of starvation. Why waiting for unrealistic tomorrow?
But before you met both of them, you were living. What is wrong with you?
No, what is wrong with you? Please leave me alone. This is my life. You will not tell me what to do with mine. You can do whatever you like with yours. Excuse me. You're so stingy and you should go and make money. And
Gladice. Gladice, but it's still not enough. Good morning,
Good morning.
Ogumba Hall.
Ogumba was 700.
Oga. Don't worry, I'll give you 500.
You know, say fuel don't cost 700.
I beg, I know say fuel don't cost. Oga, carry me 500. I beg, I dey hurry.
You know they go calm down.
I don't even have time for this nonsense now. What kind of useless man are you now?
disappointment.
Everything okay? What happened?
Papa, good day, but everything is not fine. It's not this useless Dikeh man.
I was watching from a distance. I hope he didn't hurt you.
No, but my dress is torn.
Oh, sorry. You can cover yourself with this.
Thank you.
So where are you going now?
I have to go back home and change because I have a very important appointment to catch up with.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me help you cross the road. Let's go.
Thank you.
Sorry, yo.
What are you doing here? Fred, what is the color of your problem? Don't you know how to leave me alone? You don't know how to move on? Get out. Leave. Leave my father's compound.
I'm not here for you. I escorted your sister down here. She suffered a wardrobe malfunction, so...
Oh my God, thank you so much for saving my day. Yeah, thank you for the jacket.
Welcome.
I'll just go my way now.
Good luck with your appointment.
Oh, I see. You two are just two stupid prophet man.
What is wrong
Losers.
with you? What is wrong with you? Why would you say such a thing?
Oh, please shut up. Cut the pretense. I know you. I know you're tired.
You are insane, Gladice. You're very lucky that I'm brushing. I would have lashed out on you today.
Oh, really? You think I'm scared of you? Bring it on, girl. Bring it on. I'll give it to you. Hot, hot. Stupid thing. You can't even look for someone else. Must it be my ex? Huh?
Sincerely, I really don't know what I would have done if you had not encouraged me the other day. I would have just forfeited the appointment. But thanks to your encouragement and you wishing me good luck, I got what I wanted. And by the grace of God, everything worked out fine.
I mean, I did nothing, honestly. I feel like your brilliance won. I just offered a helping hand, that's all.
Truthfully, you're a really nice guy. And you don't deserve what my sister is doing to you. If I have my way, I never mind.
No, tell me. What is it?
No, it's fine.
Should I say something to you?
What?
You might be of help.
Me? How can I help you?
Give me a chance. I promise to appreciate it.
Give you a... Are you trying to switch? Are you actually asking me to date you?
Your sister moved on with someone else and I see them together, so...
Gladice.
Oh, what?
Is that you? I can see you're going out.
Of course I'm going out to see my colleagues, my baby. He just got back from a business trip.
Nice. But I want to talk to you about something.
Go ahead. Spill.
The thing is, the truth is, actually, Fred and I,
Stop stuttering. You and Fred are together? You two are seeing each other. Isn't that what you want to talk to me about?
Yes, I like him because he's honest.
Okay, listen, Alice. I am not going to stop you from seeing him. Okay? But know that guy is from a very poor family.
Gladice, what are you getting at?
What I'm saying is this. Take a good look at yourself. All of this beauty, don't you think it's best to use it to attract a very rich, cute guy? A loaded guy. And not that broke Frederick.
Come on.
He's no match.
You don't have to call him broke.
Oh.
He's just starting out in life. I believe with determination and perseverance, he will make it someday.
That's a layman's ideology.
You think so?
I know so. Let me ask you this, my darling sister. Have you ever sat back to think about your future with this guy? Your life and everything? Let me tell you, this guy cannot take care of you. What if you get pregnant for him? What happens? Is he going to take care of you and the baby? You know the answer. It's no. Excuse me.
No one's even talking about pregnancy. I'm just starting out.
So I'm passing out tomorrow.
Yes, I remember you told me last week.
Yeah, we're having our POP here.
Congrats.
Thank you. And I've been asked to stay back at my workplace.
You were retained?
Yes.
Oh my God, congratulations. It simply means you'll not be leaving us anytime soon. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. They also promised to give me a good salary at the end of the month.
I knew it. Over time, you just keep climbing. Congrats.
You're welcome. Thank you. You don't want to eat?
No, I'm okay. Hope you're enjoying the meal.
Yes, it's nice.
There you go.
Yeah.
My strawberry sugar pie.
Babe, you know today was fun.
Come on, I'll do anything for you.
I
You
know.
know that.
Oh, Mr. Idea and his Mrs. Idea. You know you two fit each other, this whole nonsense. Huh?
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, I'm so happy I found you. I love you so much, baby.
I'm ready to spoil you.
I know.
Yeah. Sorry, my bad. Get it.
Oh. Here we go.
Yeah.
You know what money cannot do?
Does not exist.
You know, the only thing better than money is more money.
Come on.
More money.
360, baby. Come on, come here.
I love you, babe.
Come
I love you.
Anything for you.
Thanks for spending so much money on me.
Come on, you deserve it.
I know.
You deserve everything.
I know. Oh, babe, I'm missing you already. I wish I can go with you.
Come on, but I promised you. Don't worry. Once I get back, I'm going to take you on a trip with me to the Caribbean. And I'm going to spoil you silly. Anything you want, the city, blue, black, purple. Because you're my sugar pie.
I know, baby. I know you have the money. I know, and I can't wait.
My money is working. And it's for you, baby.
Money in water.
Hey. You know me.
All right, babe, let me keep this inside.
All right.
Okay?
Love you too.
I love you.
Come on, you look good.
Oh, my man is here.
Sir, your tire is down.
Gladice, are you going to stand around spitting over the place all day? Won't you prepare something for us to eat?
But I already have something on fire cooking. And I've been checking to see if it's ready.
And by the way, why are you looking the way you do? Are you pregnant? Tell me, are you pregnant? Tell me, are you pregnant? I know you are not going to say anything. Oh yes, but I assure you, if you are pregnant, this house will be too small to contain both of us.
I was about to ask you same thing. Are you pregnant? Have you seen your period? Because for the last 3 days you've been, eating a lot, perceiving all manner of scents, and even spitting so much. Collins is responsible, right?
Yes. I don't know how he's going to react.
What do you mean you don't know how he's going to react? Have you told him? Can I come with you to his house to tell him?
No. Thank you. I'll go to his house and see him later today. I'll send it to his hearing. Besides, it's the father of my child.
Of course.
I've not been seeing any other man beside him.
I'm sure he'll be happy. Come on, what's not to be happy about? The baby is always good news. When you tell him, it's going to gladden his heart. You have nothing to worry about, okay? It's okay.
You know, you're a sweet girl. I told you from the onset, you don't have any problem.
I know.
And because I enjoyed you, I'm going to give you what's cash.
Going on here? What is going on here? Collins.
Baby.
Who is this?
Baby.
And what do I call this?
Baby, who is this thing?
Also, baby. Oh, I get it. Interesting. So, you've not been taking my calls because of this thing. I've called you. I've texted you, Collins. You did not... You want to know who I am?
Get out!
Me?
I said get out.
I'm not going anywhere. Collins, is she the reason you've not been taking my calls? You've been avoiding me. Okay, let me tell you. If you sleep and dump every girl, you will not dump me.
Gladice, get out of my house!
I should get out.
You have no right to be in this place, let alone barge into my bedroom. Get out of here! I will bundle you.
You bundle me? Okay, baby, calm down. My love, calm down. I am very sorry. I am coming.
Am I the one you're talking to? Crush me down. Yes! Bring me down, boss. Baby, please come back.
Gladice. Better think of how to take this pregnancy to the owner. You understand me? If you like, pretend you don't know what I'm talking about. Let me just warn you. I do not keep bastards in my house. I don't. So, better lift yourself up and carry yourself and this thing to whoever is responsible for it. Nonsense.
Oh, God. Where did I get it wrong? What have I gotten myself into? Collins, you said you loved me. You said you had deceived me with lots of flashy things. You're a wicked man, oh, you're a very wicked man. God will punish you. Collins, God will punish you. My God will keep punishing you. Just look at me. What do I do now? What do I do?
I ask again, what are you doing here?
Collins, I am pregnant. You're the father.
You're pregnant. For who? Oh, you want to rob me in your mess?
I'm lost. What are you trying to say? Have you not before living with me? Eh? Collins, are you not the one that told me that I am the sweetest girl in this world? Collins, didn't you tell me that I am everything you want in a woman? Please don't just stress me.
Gladice, how is that bastard you're carrying there any of my business? Yeah. What do I have to do with your pregnancy or you being pregnant?
Charlie? Are you trying to deny this pregnancy? Collins, you know this is your responsibility. You are the father of this child. There's no other man elsewhere. It's just you and I. Please, oh.
Oh. Now I get it. Huh? You want to use me as your poverty escape route, right? You are a liar.
I am not lying. I am not. If you don't want... Okay, just take care of the baby. That's all I want. That's all.
You're welcome. Listen real good. Go out there in the streets and look for whoever got you pregnant. This pregnancy is not mine.
You're a liar.
Let me tell you, it's a warning. Anytime I see you around this vicinity, I will deal with you.
Me?
I am not ready to father your bastard.
Collins, you're trying to deny my pregnancy. You're denying this child. What you did. Don't try me, Collins. This is unfair. Don't do it with me. Don't try it.
It's my mistake. When I was dealing with you, I thought I'm dealing with a big girl. It's appalling that as big as you are, you don't know what big girls like you do in this kind of situation.
I don't know.
Oh.
Please tell me. I don't know. Just tell me.
Why will I tell you? You are dumb. You are dumb. Why will I tell you? Oh, you want to hook me with this pregnancy? In your mind, you don't catch clients. It will not work. Go out there and you know who got you pregnant. It's not me. You are dumb. If you had sense, you will know that you cannot catch Collins with a pregnancy. You think you can just barge in here, tell me you're pregnant, generally, with your wretched father, wretched family. If I see you here again, try me.
Baby, tell me you said you love me.
Who are you, baby? Are you mad? I will deal with you.
But you said you love me. What do I do with the pregnancy?
Gladice, I thought you had said, I'm telling you the truth.
I don't have sense for you.
Go with your poverty stinking self.
So I also wanted to inform you that I'll be traveling very soon. But I'll be back before you know it.
My love, don't make me wait for too long.
No, I'm not going to keep you waiting. I'll come back before you know it. Okay?
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. Not to worry. Hello. Is everything all right with your sister?
Don't mind Gladice. She's just battling with a lot.
A lot? Is there something I should know about? Maybe I can be of help?
No, if she wanted to tell you, she should have told you. Forget about it. Listen, I want to start leaving before your supervisor will start lashing out on you. I don't like the way he talked to you the last time. So, let's go.
Are you sure your sister is fine?
Really?
Sorry.
Oh na na na. You'll be fine, boy, no pimple. Your wallet is filled with dimples. I don't want this kind of love you to give. I no go chop your face. Come to see my body. I deserve another one to come and make me a jalugo. Oh, come out my way. Avoid my way. No be fine, boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I go chop. Come out my way. Avoid my way. I no go allow you to come and scatter my palacio. Oh, I've been running from poverty. Yeah. Now you want to make me suffer. God forbid. I need a man we good at spending money on me. Not the one we go call me honey. I want to cruise in Lambo. I want to fly to Orlando. Popping champagne and making toast. Every day, everywhere go soft. No matter what you do, make your money. When you have the money, I go follow you. I'ma come out my way. Avoid my way. No be fine boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I go chop. Come out my way. Avoid my way. I no go allow you to come and scatter my plans, yo. I'ma come out my way. Avoid my way. No be fine boy, I go chop. No be fine face, no be fine face. Come out my way. Avoid my way. I no go allow you to come and scatter my plans, yo. Please go find money. Please go find money. When the money come, I go follow. Please go find money. Go and find money. When the money come, we go follow you. It's Refi.
Happy to see you again.
This is fantabulous. Fred, how are your parents?
They're fine.
Wow.
How are you, sir?
Welcome.
Happy to see you again.
Wow, this is wonderful.
Oh my god, I've missed you.
I missed you. How are
you? Oh my god, you look good.
Right?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm so happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too. I'm glad that your father is here. I just came to do something really briefly.
It's not important. Let's just go.
No, it's very important. Just hold on. Please. Would you just marry me?
Yes.
Let's continue from where we stopped.
Yes.
Give me her finger.
Yes.
Thank you. You like it?
Yes, I love it.
Great.
Papa, look at it. This is not beautiful.
Beautiful.
Let me get my ring. Thank you. Papa, let's go in.
Go. Come with me. It's celebration time. When you get out of it.
I've been chasing shadows, not looking at you. Never knew you were the one for me. My lucky charm, my nightingale, you are the only one for me. I will never let you go. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I will love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I promise to love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me.
I hope the interior is as beautiful as the exterior because it's very expensive.
Yes, sir, you have nothing to worry about. Perfect.
And sometimes I feel like you agents, you make life very unbearable for us tenants. Okay? You forget that our employers don't care about us.
Exactly. I mean, salaries remain same. Why the cost of living keeps skyrocketing? Come on.
Madam, it is not only the house that is getting expensive in this country. The whole thing is crazily going high. It is not our fault.
Listen, that we're saying the same thing. Property owners should consider the common man on the streets.
Exactly.
Chairman, it is not our fault.
Whose fault is it? Mine?
No.
The government is killing the masses with high taxation. People can't afford to survive with their normal salaries. It doesn't make any sense.
Chairman, it is not really our fault. It is a country we find ourselves in. I just pray and hope that one day we'll find leaders that have the interests of the people at heart.
My friend, it starts with you.
Honey.
Start with reducing the rent.
Come on.
Do you understand? Come to think of it, the boys' quarters, who's there?
Nobody.
Kindly let me know before you take anybody's money.
No problem.
I'd like to know. Let's go inside.
Let's go.
What an interview section.
You see everything. It's still looking brand new. The furnishing is top notch. Here's the kitchen, and the room is upstairs.
Well, just give me a moment.
Yeah. Take your time. No problem. Fine.
Everything looks good, but I still maintain that it's quite pricey. Please, give us a discount. Is that possible?
Sir, I don't think it's possible. I'm really sorry because the landlord have already fixed the price and there's nothing I can do about it.
Baby, come on. It's okay. Besides, I love it.
I know you love it. I know you love it.
All right, just text me the details. I'll do the transfer as soon as possible.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll do that right away.
Honey, you know I'm not moving in with you, right? I hope you're aware.
Why?
Seriously? You're asking me why, like you really don't know why?
But I got this place so we can have our privacy, right?
I know, but it's still not right for me to just move in with you like that. Come on.
We're getting married, aren't we?
We're getting married, true. And, well, I'm just engaged, you know. But we're not officially married.
Which one is officially married again, madam? How do you mean?
Really? So I'm now madam?
Yeah.
Oga, come on, do the right thing. Make me officially yours.
You know what? Let's just enjoy this moment, okay? Besides, we have a wedding to plan. Did I tell you?
You don't say. Thank you. Yes. I am super excited. Oh my God, let me just
I have something else to tell you about.
No, tell me, go on.
Toast.
Okay.
Toast.
Tell me.
Good life.
Okay.
More money.
Okay. Can you just tell me?
The new apartment. What else?
Honey, guess what?
What?
I just found the perfect wedding dress here. Isn't this beautiful?
Oh, this is really, really nice.
Yes. You know what? I'll just screen munch it, forward it on WhatsApp to that lady I told you I wanted to get the gown from. Then we'll pick it up when it's ready.
This looks really nice and expensive.
No, I don't think it's expensive. You know, I'll just munch it and send it to the lady. Then we'll know.
Babe, listen. Just let me handle this, okay? I'll order from the UK. Well, what's funny?
Nothing.
Listen, the UK brands, they are more sophisticated. You're going to like it.
Is that what you really want?
Just let me handle it. I promise to give you the best because you deserve the best.
Now I'm feeling shy. So you want a custom-made dress from the UK?
It's just simple. They have, I mean, the UK brands, they have better quality. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying the local brands are not good, but the UK brands have more sophisticated quality.
Well, I have no objections to that if that's what you really want.
All right, there you go.
But baby, don't forget, our wedding is really close. So you have to order like right now and tell them to get it here early enough.
It's okay. I'll get that sorted. Trust me.
Okay. You know what? I'll just pop into the kitchen and make you some pineapple juice.
I'll be with you shortly. I'll just finish this and come over. Okay?
Okay, pineapple juice coming up.
Thank you.
Tractors, excavators, bulldozers.
Gladice, please help me with our meat, please.
Get a ball tapugonu. You don't see for. Do I blame you? As in, your errand girl up here? You will balance in that motor and be commanding Gladice. Gladice, you will come and get me our milk. You not get a digging milk company. No, you people open this shop for me.
I left baby at home with his father. Please help me.
If you don't walk down from that to your carton car and come and pick what you want, you remain there. And when I forget, rubbish. Gladice, yes, you are commanding Gladice. You know your way to my shop. Since you know your way to pick the milk, why are you even disturbing my peace? Eh? Mother Bulo Kunuka.
I have said. What is this, Gladice? Is this what you feed your child with?
Is it not food? Other children that have been eating it, did they die? My daughter that has been eating it, has she died?
Gladice, you and I know that this is not good for Ogechi. Then why are you feeding her with it?
Because I am not as rich as you and your stingy husband. Don't come and disturb my peace. Please, take your milk, pay me and get out.
I've already sent you the money.
Yes. And you, let me even ask you, what have you done for this your niece you claim to love so much? What have you done for her?
You know what? I'm in no mood for this your nonsense today. Listen, I've sent you money to get her food. At least this should last you for 1 month. And make sure to do it. I am serious.
If you
Gladice, I am serious. Don't feed her with this.
You cannot come and
Gladice, I am
my
warning
own shop.
you.
You cannot tell me what to do. My friend, get out of my shop.
Gladice,
enter your car,
I have
your car
sent
and
you
get
money.
out.
Make sure you buy her food.
I will not do that. You can't come
I'm
and
up, and you're very lucky because I left baby at home with the father. Else I'd have given you a piece of my mind.
Take your piece and go. Take your piece and go in pieces. I don't need it. Otaka. If my daughter carry me and do someone for 9 months. Nonsense. Beef. Rubbish. Therefore, I can take this out of my shop. How to do it? You want to lecture me? Am I thinking I become a mother before you? Because you happen to have a car to drive. Rubbish. Come back. If you come on again. Otaka Omaka. Okukota money. What have you even done for me, your sister?
My baby sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. Now my baby sleeping, sleep. Oh my God, where did I keep this phone? Shh. I thought I left it here. Oh, there you are. Honey, where are you? Please pick your call.
Oh shit. I missed her call. I didn't know. Let me just call her back.
Hi, babe.
Honey, it's past 12 noon. Where have you been?
I'm so sorry I missed your calls. I didn't know. No, it was in my pocket. I didn't know it was ringing. How are you? Babe, I'll be back home soon, okay? I want to quickly go to the embassy and drop off the file.
Honey, please, when coming, help get the baby's food. His food is finished. He's been crying all day. I just managed to rock him to sleep. Please, we need it.
Yeah, that's okay. Is there something else you'd like me to get?
Aw, except you want to get me something nice to appreciate me for taking care of your cute baby.
Get off my phone.
I love you. Aww.
Oh, shit. I totally forgot to buy the milk. The baby milk. Okay, I'll just stroll down the road and see if I can get it. Hi dear. Hi, how are you? Alright? You don't look so bright. Everything okay?
Even if I tell you, what can you do? What do you want?
I want the baby milk for my child. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Please hurry up. I actually want 2. Yes, 2.
2?
2, yes. How much is it?
12,000.
12,000
Yes.
for
For the 2.
or each of them is 6,000.
You know. I know.
I thought it was cheaper than that though.
It's 12,000. One is 6,000. Others are selling 7,000. I just said 6,000.
Oh, that's okay. Let me just... It should be more than that. There you go.
More?
Yes.
Oh, hold on.
You can count. All right, thank you.
Oga, I was thinking,
Huh?
what did you just say? Thank you. Give me my money. Pay me for the milk. Do I look like Santa Claus?
I just gave you the money.
Who gave me money? How? Are you okay? Are you drunk? Pay me my money.
Gladice, are you all right? What's wrong with
No,
you?
I should be asking you if you're all right. Hey, Frank!
I just gave you money.
Who? On your city? Pepper!
Can you stop that? What's wrong with that? I just gave you money.
Stop what? Okay, pay me my money.
I just gave you.
Please.
What happened?
Hey, Frank, thank God you're here. Look at this man. He's having 2 of my milk and has refused to pay me. He didn't give me any
This girl
money.
is crazy.
Ah,
No, hold on.
woman.
Listen, I just paid her.
You a thief.
You're a thief. Yes, that's
You
who you are.
Gladice, are you all right?
No,
Okay, guys, Mona come.
I just gave her money. No, hold on, wait. I just gave her money. No, wait.
Okay, she don't wanna shout thief.
Why are you embarrassing me?
I'm not embarrassing you.
Guys, Mona come.
She's embarrassing me.
You thief.
Hold on, wait.
Okay, this is something nice.
See my milk.
Eat my milk now. Eat my milk.
No, wait. I just gave her money.
You're a thief now.
Why?
You're a thief now.
How?
Do not cry, Daddy is coming. Do not cry. sleep. Daddy is coming. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. Sheep. Have you any room? Yes, sir. 3 bags food. Honey, where are you? How long will I continue? What if he wakes up again and starts to cry?
Who there here? Who there here? Madam!
Who is that? I ain't even trying to bring down my door. What around nonsense?
Madam, no be time for big grammar be this. As you see me so I come up for where they won't burn your husband. They won't burn your husband and send thief.
Are you high on cheap drugs? What is wrong with you? Who are you?
Madam, you need follow me. You need follow me now.
Come with you to where exactly? You they smoke something? Who put you from out?
Madam, your husband then catch him for wearing one thief. So, those boys now, then they vex. They won't burn him.
Still, are you mad? Oh, God. Are you looking at this house? My husband steal what exactly? How can a man who has affluence the base to stealing? Are you stupid?
Madam,
get out of this place.
Madam, I tell you the truth, no be time for big grammar be this. If you want to see your husband alive, I go advise you now, make you call police. Make you call police if you want to see your husband alive, because those boys, why they look their face, why come on live so, no be play then they play, then go burn him if you no call police, or come carry police, come go that place now, then go kill him.
Hold on, don't move.
Madam!
Hello? Yeah, officer. There's some angry mobs at
Ekuma
Junction. They're trying to lynch my husband. Please, can you just come over? I'm not there yet. Please, just come over. Thank you. I've called the police.
Madam, may we dey go. If you want to see your husband alive, may we dey go now.
Hold on.
Madam!
Let's go.
Madam, leave the door, they come.
Wait. Bring that down. Hold on. Listen, no. But you see, I played that. So make I play this game now, win this game. So maybe they cry. Nobody there for the house. No, this cry is too much. Madam Alice! Neighbor! Only dominant day for them to cry. Neighbor! Never! Shh. Nobody in this house. Never! Shh. Never! Where they go now? Never!
Madam, please be fast so that we can catch up with others, please.
Boss, I just want to get mine.
What is it?
My son.
Are you sure about this?
Officer, I left my son here. My son was lying right here. Officer.
So you mean you left him all alone without knowing?
I was told that they were about to lynch my husband and I just ran out. I wasn't waiting. My son.
Madam, wait for me. Where are you going to? Madam!
Gladice! Gladice! Why are you looking so terrified? And where are you going with Ogechi and your belongings?
Should anyone come looking for me, tell the person you've not seen me for days. Baba, if you like, Sapono, open down your mouth that is as wide as what I don't know and expose your daughter on your own at owner's risk.
And you go see no. Eh? Why are you running away? What have you committed?
Come back here.
Ha! Hey! Eji kwambiero ubu. Eji kwambiero ubu. Ta!
You must come with us to the station.
Madam, what is going on? What's happening?
You'll get to know when you get to the station.
Station? No, officer, I'm not going anywhere. Madam, what did I do now? What is going on?
Do you want to move or you want us to do it the violent way?
No, now. At least you're officers of the law now. You should tell me what my crime is. How could you arrest me like that?
Mr. Man, like I say, when you get to the station, they will explain everything to you. Move before I use force on you.
Oh, madam, what is the meaning of this now? What is going on now? You should explain to somebody. What is it?
I say move.
Just arrest me like this now. What is happening?
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Super Mike from State Headquarters.
Super Mike?
Yes.
Can you please identify yourself properly?
Sure. That's it?
Okay. So how may I help you?
Where is your daughter, Gladice? That's why I'm here.
Gladice?
Yes.
Gladice left here at about 6 p.m. with my granddaughter, Ogechi. Now please, if by any means you see her, find her anywhere, please return my granddaughter to me. Please.
I need her photograph.
A photograph?
Yeah, Gladice, your daughter. I need her photograph. That's why I'm here.
I'll get that for you.
Sure.
But hold on. What happened? Did she commit any crime? Why is the police after her? Why did she have to run away like that? In fact, with her tail between her legs. So terrified.
Your daughter orchestrated the assault and battery of one Mr. Frederick.
Assault and battery? I don't understand.
Gladice, your daughter, falsely accused the said Frederick of stealing. Yes, I nearly got him and your wife lynched to death by an angry mob. Yes, that's a crime. Serious
Why
crime.
would she do this to a fellow human? Hi, Gladice.
Ask me.
Officer, please, you have to find her. You have to find her.
And that is exactly what we are doing. And that's why we need her photograph.
I'll get that for you. Just hold on.
Go ahead.
Gladice. This is Gladice, and that's my granddaughter.
I see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please, if you happen to see her first,
okay,
or happen to know where we can find her, give me a call.
I will.
Okay, please.
I will.
Check my number.
I will.
Check my number.
I will. Go ahead.
080.
Okay.
332.
Okay.
Now, can you tell me the truth? Where is that baby?
Officer, I don't know any baby you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. What baby?
An eyewitness testified that they saw you going out with a baby this afternoon. So where is that baby?
No, officer. The baby is my baby. I took my baby to my wife this afternoon.
Shut up! Why are you lying to me?
Officer, it's my baby.
It's your baby, right? Huh? I've been lenient to you and you don't want to tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Where is that baby?
Officer, I am telling you the truth. I am telling you the truth, nothing but the truth. The woman opposite my house saw me leaving the compound this morning.
Here you go again.
With my baby.
Huh? You are still lying to me. Is that not? No problem. After I've prepared the case file, by tomorrow I'll forward it to the court. And you are going to court. You will rot in jail. I promise you that. Second! Second! Come and take him to the cell.
Gladice, what have you done? What have you done? My child is sick. I can't even take her to the hospital because I don't want the police to catch me. For how long will I keep running? For how long? Collins. Collins. Collins, how many times did I call your name?
Officer, this is apartment.
Yeah?
Yes, please.
There's nobody here, as it is. Who is there? What? Listen, madam. As it is now, all your neighbors are suspects on this matter, and they all need to be arrested and interrogated for us to get to the root of the matter, okay?
Officer, the thing is, you have to do what you need to do. At this point, I just want to go get my child, that's all. I'm exhausted.
The whole matter, they're all connected. Your child, your neighbors, and this whole case. Okay, so,
Madam, don't worry, we'll set arrest. And after it, we'll get to the result.
Of course, when they're interrogated, and anyway, I don't want to talk about touch. When they're properly interrogated, the truth will come out. Let's go, let's go. Go to the apartment.
Officers, please, just wait here while I go in and change.
That's okay. That's okay. By the way, that neighbor of yours, do you know where we can find him?
I already told you I don't know. You've asked that question severally, so please.
Be fast about it, please.
Officers. Officers. I think I found my son. Oh my God. Oh my God, I found my child.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, this is my son. This is my son. Oh, officers, he's not moving. Oh, he's not moving. Oh, he's not moving.
Hospital right away. Hospital right
Okay,
away.
sir.
Let's go, let's go. Move it, move it.
Doctor, please save my child, please. Please, just help him. I don't want to lose my baby, please. Please.
What will happen to him?
Just help me. He hasn't eaten anything all day. Look how he's just lying there still.
Now, calm
Please
down.
help
You'll be
me.
fine. You'll be fine. Okay? Calm down. You'll be fine.
Please.
Okay? Calm down. You'll be fine.
Oh.
Come here.
You are under arrest. Move.
I don't do anything. I'm not police. I hear they leave. I don't do anything. Move it. Move it. I don't do anything. I don't do anything. I don't do anything. Move it.
So how is he?
He's fine. His heartbeat is normal. The baby will be fine.
Okay. But when will he eat?
Just see me in my office.
Okay.
Doctor, how is the baby?
Yes, sir. The baby's fine.
Doctor just confirmed that the baby is fine.
Yes. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your prompt response and your selfless service. May our good Lord continue to bless you.
Thank you. We're doing our job. Just doing our job, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and I think it's time you go freshen up and also take care of yourself. Your own health also matters.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go. We'll keep in touch, eh?
Of course. Thank you, sir.
Are you willing to talk to me now? Officer, I not do anything. I not do harm. I said stop lying to me! Stop lying to me and tell me the truth! Where is that baby? Officer, truth, Papa, when they go heaven. Truth to God, officer. My papa, and this one tell you say, let me meet him the baby. I just walk up past. I come here cry, I go there. With me, I not the baby. Never! Never! Shh. Nobody in this house. Never! Never! Shh. Never! Where they do now? Never! Officer, truth to God, and the truth I tell you be that don't know what to carry me enter that house. As I just dey waka the pass, I hear pikin cry. As I enter the place, I sight the CD. Yes, I see that her phone. But I can't reason and say if I collect this phone, if he's and trace me, find where I dey, can't know say na me thief the phone. As I leave and waka go up, not only her jewelry and watch, now you be wetin I thief come up for that house. Officer, for that pikin, I don't see him. I don't thief am. I don't fit thief pikin. I don't know anything about am. And the watch and the jewelry, na military wey I collect come up for that house. I be innocent boy, I dey innocent. I'm very officer. I tell you, I see it happen. Truth to God. God will bear me witness. I beg you now. Hey! Hello, sir. Oh, the baby I found.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You see, I said, being a son boy.
Shut up your mouth. You are just lucky this time around.
Now my name they follow me now.
Say guys! Say guys! Come and return him.
But they don't find baby now. Officer, they don't find baby now. My guy, they go my house, officer. That place they smell. They go beat me again, officer. It too smell. That place too smell.
Yes, officer, I can hear you.
We have the second suspect. He confessed to stealing from your house.
Jesus. What did he steal?
Yes, he did mention some of the items he stole from the house. Can you come tomorrow and identify him?
You know what, officer? Fine, I've heard you. I was just about to go shower, then go to the hospital to see my son. Don't worry, like you said, I'll be there by morning to identify him.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. God, these days no one can be trusted. Imagine my neighbors vandalizing my house in my absence. Hey, my kitchen, what did they take? Hello? Yeah, good day. How is my husband? How is he? Okay, I'll be there right away. Yeah, of course. Thank you. Hello? Matilda, where are you? You traveled? Oh my God. No, I needed you. It's okay. Sure. Thanks. What do I do? Oh, my baby. My baby. Hello, officer. What? Good day. Hello? I can't hear you. Hello? Hello, I'm driving. If you can hear me, I'm driving. Oh, battery's dead. Jeez.
Moise.
As well. How far? Have we heard from Mrs. Alice?
No, not at all.
Anyway, we cannot continue to leave these people here. It's either she comes and consents for us to take them to court or we release them. Okay?
Yeah, I guess so, sir.
That is the situation. What about that fraudster, the short one, that troublesome one?
Yeah.
His people, have they come?
No, but okay, his dad was here this morning, but I tried to reach you online, but your line wasn't connecting.
Okay, is that a file?
No, his file is with Inspector Monday.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, thanks, sir.
for the police.
My love, I am not running away from the police, okay? I'll buy you ice cream, huh? Lollipop, everything you like, right? We'll go shopping, huh? Right? God, if not for this useless man, this useless Collins, I'll not be going through this. My love, are you okay?
Mommy, I want to go home.
You want to go home?
I'm sorry for all the pain I put you through.
It's not your fault.
What about my son? I heard something happened to him.
It's nothing. Well, he was sleeping when I left him to come check up on you.
What about Gladice? Has she been caught?
God will punish her. It will never be well with her. Oh.
Good morning, Mr. Freddie.
Hi, doctor.
You'll be discharged today.
Oh, thank you very much. I can't wait to go home.
Yeah, you definitely need rest that you won't be totally healed.
Okay, thank you very much.
I need to come back every Wednesday for your checkup.
I'll do that. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, madam. Please do take care of her.
Bye.
You okay?
Oh, so. Please, who's my son at the hospital?
Well, I told the nurse to help me look after him while I checked on you. Just want to power my phone up, then call the nurse to know how he is faring.
Right.
I'll just give you something to drink.
I think your phone is ringing.
Hello? Who is this?
Okay. I'll be there shortly. Thank you.
Who was that?
It was the truth is I got Ikene and Ken arrested when I couldn't find our baby. The IPO in charge of the case just called to know if we want to charge them to court or dismiss the case.
Listen, we need to discontinue that case, alright? I don't want it anymore. I'm no longer interested. Just let it go. We're grateful to God that we're alive, and that's what matters, so just let it go, okay?
Okay, if that's what you want.
Yeah, that's what I want. Just let it go.
Let me just continue to make you what you need to eat.
Madam, I did very sorry. I did so sorry, say, I can't take from you. Normally, that kind of act, I'm not supposed to do to person when they good like you and Oga. I'm not gonna know what enter me, will make me that day. As I enter your house, I can't thief your jewelry and your watch. I beg, madam, I did very sorry. I can't think I'm not gonna try them again with you. In fact, I'm not gonna do them again for my life.
Now you accept that you thief.
Well, it's okay. It wasn't even about the accessories. It was more fear for my son who was missing at that time. But thank God I found him and he's alive.
Yes, madam. That day, as I walk out, they enter, and they hear picking voice. I can't they say, waiting they happen. Why this picking they cry like this? Where Oga and madam they? As I walk enter your house, I see picking where I go help. I don't feel help him. Because now as man why I be, I don't know how to start from. Whether my carry from leg, I mean from head, that's how I leave him. Go up. God if wetin no concern me. Now wetin no concern, let I go carry because say I just want. Madam, I dey sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me. No vex, I beg.
Same here, madam. Please, okay? Forgive him, please. Alright? The officer here told me everything. You understand? So I'm so sorry about it.
It's okay. Thank God my husband is alive. And officer, he says he wants the case closed.
Huh?
Yes.
So you don't need the case anymore?
No, not anymore. He says he doesn't want any case with them. And that, I should also apologize to you both for the inconveniences. But on behalf of my family and I, we are truly sorry.
Thank you. Thank you so much, madam.
Madam, thank you. God bless you, Anuga. But no people are supposed to apologize to us. Now, us, especially me, we can't see from you. Me will be criminal from your house. Now me go tell you sorry, tell her sorry. And me supposed to apologize. Beg. Okay. Now for where I did the watch for. Now when I come hear the news, say that kind of bad thing happened to good man like Oga. He tell me. He tell me what's not what we do. I know condition I will do as thief within my blood. I will thief from you.
It's okay.
Sorry.
So, officer, I think we should just sign the paperwork and get them released, right?
Well, I will communicate with the IPO and then they will do the necessary.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
So sorry.
Thank you.
I will
Thank you so
inform the
much.
IPO.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, officer.
You are under arrest for false accusation and attempted murder. Move it. I said move it. Move. Move. Open the boot.
Miss Gladice, are you ready to confess now?
Yes. This pain is too much in my heart. My heart aches.
Oh, so you can actually feel pain, eh? You can feel pain, but you take delight in inflicting pain on others. This is the beginning of your suffering. This is the beginning. You better get prepared.
Officer, please, I would like to see my sister.
Did I hear you say sister? Oh, so you know that she is your sister. You know she is your sister, but you went ahead to accuse a husband. And he was nearly lynched, if not for our intervention. Now you remember that she's your sister. You are evil. You are evil.
Please, let me see my sister. For the sake of my child. For my daughter. Please.
Yes. Honey, what are you doing out here? The doctor said you should rest.
So the police called.
Okay.
They said Gladice has been apprehended.
Finally. Oh, thank God. So is she in police custody as we speak?
Yes. She's in police custody. We've been asked to come and identify her.
Oh, in that case, that's fine. I'll just go. You know what? Go in there and rest, okay? While I go to the station.
No. I have to go. I want to see Gladice. I want to ask her what I have done to her to be this cruel to me.
That's understandable. But I'm sure there should be a reason why she committed such a despicable act. You know what? Let me just get the baby's bag, feed him, and we'll all go together.
Sure.
Okay, I'll be right back. Yes, we'll just eat quickly, okay? Okay.
Keep quiet here. You are still talking.
Officer, good evening.
Good evening, sir. How may I help you?
Please, I'm here to see my daughter who was arrested this morning.
Gladys.
Gladys.
Gladice.
Yeah, the young lady that was arrested.
That mad dog that nearly bite everybody for the station. How did you manage to raise her? Eh?
Officer, you are somebody's parent, right? You're a father. I'm sure you're married and have kids. You see, the duties of parents end at guidance, counseling, and general direction. Beyond that, whatever the child turns out to be in life generally depends on the child. I trained my daughter as a good father will. I did my best as a father. But what she has become is entirely within her own decision. Do you understand? That is the way it is.
You make point.
That is it. After all, what she did, I did not send her to do it. Or did I send her? The answer is no. So, my dear, can I see her?
Yeah, it's wise to see her. But please, give me a little time.
It's okay, it's okay.
Gladice, I just have one question for you. Why do you desperately want me dead? Why do you want to kill me?
I would do worse. If I'm opportune to. Why did you leave me? Why did you choose my sister over me?
What?
I am supposed to be living the life that she is living. I'm not her.
But you left me for someone else.
But you left! You should have stood and fight for her love. She didn't fight enough.
What? You left me for someone else. You left me for someone else.
You should have waited.
Are you out of your mind? Women.
Men.
Why are you so confused?
My son, you see, what I'm about to say now may not make sense to you. But this little girl here did not ask to be drawn into all this. Now that her mother, Gladice, has been sentenced to 21 years imprisonment. And of course, I'm not going to ask you to take Ogechi here in. But I want to beg of you, please, whatever you do, do not abandon this little girl with an old man. Please.
Papa, I've heard you. But for the first time, I'm going to say no to you. What you're saying or asking me to do is totally unacceptable. Papa, I have decided to cut ties with anything that has to do with that Jezebel, including her daughter.
Honey, please don't say this. Come on, please.
Really? Are you expecting me to adopt her daughter? And take care of her child?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
All I'm saying is she can stay with Papa. You know, while I pay her fees out of my own pocket until she's done with secondary school. Please, just give me the permission to do that.
Listen, do as you please, but do not get me involved.
Don't worry.
I'm telling you the truth. Don't even try it. Pay her school fees. But the day you ask me for a kobo, that day, I'll show you my true color.
He's just a bit upset. But like I promised, I would pay her fees. But the thing is, just try not to bring her here. You know, seeing her will remind him of a lot of things. So he won't get upset, okay? If you need anything, just call me and I'll respond.
Thank you very much, my daughter. I shall enroll her in a government school for now.
Okay.
Until things get better. Yeah? Thank you very much.
Honey? I'm just happy and thankful that the temptation couldn't break us apart.
You're right. You're absolutely right. You see, the devil came in human form to kill everybody, to destroy us. but God turned the entire situation around. What would I have done without you?
I think it should be, what would we have done if God didn't come true for us?
I probably would have been a dead man by now.
No, babe. We would have been dead by now. Those guys were not joking. They were serious when they threatened to set both of us ablaze. Thank God for his mercies.
You know, sometimes the devil can come to you in human form. Your sister went too far. Who knows the type of demon that possessed her to make her do what she did?
Honey, I think what we should be thinking about is inviting family and friends for Thanksgiving on Sunday.
Yeah, you're right.
Because the devil came to steal, kill, and destroy. But God's mercy said no.
Yes. God's grace will always see us through.
Definitely.
Where's my son?
He's inside sleeping. Would you like to drink anything?
No, I'm
You
good.
sure?
I've been chasing shadows, not looking at you. Never knew you were the one for me. My lucky charm, my nightingale, you are the only one for me. I will never let you go. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I will love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I promise to love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me. In bad times, girl, you stood by me. You gave me strength, now I have the strength to fly. You've always seen so much greatness in me. You made me believe that I can fly without wings. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I will love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I promise to love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I will love you forever.